For many, the start of a new journey can be filled with uncertainty. It's like waiting for a delayed flight, a time of frustration and anxiety, where every step feels like a struggle. In the financial world, the process of onboarding can feel much the same. But what if the journey could be different? What if there was someone to welcome you with a steady hand, to guide you through the process, and to make you feel at ease from the very first moment? A master of her craft, the flight attendant ensures every passenger is cared for, creating a smooth and comfortable experience. At Sybrin, our digital onboarding technology provides that same level of care. We streamline the process, replacing frustration with confidence and providing a seamless, welcoming experience for every customer. We ensure your clients feel valued and understood from their very first interaction. Because trust doesn't start with a transaction, it starts with a connection. Sybrin, evolving business through digital transformation, turning digital onboarding into meaningful, trusted connections that move business forward.